In fairness! Good morning! Happy Monday! So today, isasama ko kayo sa mga errands ko. First stop, I'll drop off Kuya Makoy to the gym. And then second stop, maglo-laundry tayo. So as you can see in my back, nandyan na lahat ng laundry namin for the week. So yan, tatapusin natin today. Alright, thank you guys! See ya! Just call me when you're ready for pickup, okay? Nalaman ni Kenna na mag-isa lang akong mag-laundry kaya sumunod siya. Buti na lang. So, uwi muna tayo quickly sa bahay habang nakasalang yung ating laundry. Buti na lang sumunod si Kenna para tulungan ako na mag-laundry. Nakapagsundo na rin ako ng mga ates to help me with the laundry. Dry na. May nakaano na. Dahil hindi pa rin daw tapos ang drying, so napag-isipan ko na sunduin muna si Kuya Makoy. When I got to the gym, I found out na time na rin for my assessment, so tinapos ko na rin.
3, 2, 1. Move one round, that's ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Grabe ang intense nito. Akala ko hindi ko kakayanin. Ang bilis!
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Then planking naman after. Nakakapagod to. 8 repetitions ba naman ng world's greatest stretch daw ang tawag nila dito.
And you go up and down. 20 reps pa kabilang 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Let's do this. We're going to do some fighting. Hands on the side and point position, palms facing down. As you go out, as you go up, palms facing up. Okay? Very tayo. I need 10 reps. I'll give you now. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Relax. Okay. Saan meron tayo siya, ma'am? Okay. Ito upper back. Ito middle back. Ito lower back. Lower back. Okay. 2, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, relax. Okay. Okay, ito, another bite. Okay, pero gusto ko pagkakalin mo. Okay, sige. So pag-usapan na natin ito. Okay, explain.
Okay, heading back to the laundry shop. We'll pick up the ates. I think they're done na. So, pagdating namin sa laundry shop, nasundo na rin pala sila ng kabilang sasakyan. So, nakasalubong namin sila, nakasakay na sila, and pauwi na rin. So, susundan na lang namin sila. Pauwi na kami. Ayan. Nandiyan na sila, nagla-laundry. Nagmukuhan ng laundry.
Okay, I should have zoomed
naiwan
in.
tayo. Park na muna tayo.
Yeah.
Okay. Park na muna tayo. Ayan. Pagka-uwi namin, nag-lunch lang kami real quick. And now, we're leaving and heading to pick up Timmy and Philip to school. Let's see kung anong reaction nila pag nakita nila na ako ang susundo sa kanila today. And still, I have Kuya McCoy with me. Meron pa rin siyang errand, so i-drive ko siya sa natin yung school. Okay, let's go! Ayan, susunduin na natin si Timmy at si Philip. So, si Kuya McCoy ang kukuha sa kanila dun sa main gate.
Hey!
Hey there, Timmy.
You know what happened?
Hey, Kuya
I got so many girlfriends.
Oh my.
Yeah, the girls were
I'll
like,
close the door.
shake them drags ass when. Whoa, whoa, ladies. One time at a first.
Kuya, do you need help? Dito na lang, dito na lang. Dito na lang.
You're doing this on me.
I-ano nyo. Nasa na? Doon sa kanila.
Huh?
Sa'yo?
Yeah, I'll just
Kasha? Yung iba, okay na?
yeah, the other one is okay now.
You know I got so many girlfriends.
What?
Oh my.
Yeah.
Tell your mom on the camera.
Tell your mom it's a joke. It's humor.
At nakauwi na rin kami sa bahay. Wait for me. Hey, Kay. Is that Tito Harry? I think that's Tito Harry. Tito Harry! Thanks for watching, guys. In fairness.